folks, I have a banjo repair that I just finished for our friend Avery. This is a 1960s Silvertone banjo. That's a Sears and Roebuck instrument. And this is a budget instrument. It probably was 35, 40 bucks in the 60s. Kind of the equivalent of a Recording King banjo made today that they sell for 300 or 400 bucks. But for Avery's needs and for its price, these are really cool banjos. It's got a real thick laminated rim, and it's got a metal coordinator rod here. And the thing that I like best is that the neck is adjustable. And this is a thing that Silvertone / K / Stromberg Voisinet did on a lot of their instruments over the years. And basically I loosened this bolt, and then this embedded bolt can raise and lower the neck angle, and then you tighten it all back up, tighten the strings, and check your action. So it made it really easy for me to get this playable without having to reset a dowel stick or something. And mainly for her, she's a singer-songwriter who just kind of wanted to have a banjo for a different tone. She already has a nice K&K pickup in it, but what we did is new tuners, some side dots so you know where to play, new strings, new goatskin head, and then just basically everything needed to be adjusted, tightened, and put into action. On old banjos like this, everything just kind of comes loose and then nothing works. So it doesn't take much, but it was a cool project. The longest part of the project is just stretching the skin head, basically. So. It's nice, and actually it has a really long scale. It's like over 27 inches scale, so it's like it could definitely be tuned lower with different strings pretty easily. It is a nice little banjo, lightweight and easy to play. So yeah, we're all done with this for our friend Avery. Cheers.